Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Toyota RAV4 coolant. First, ensure your engine is completely cool to avoid severe burns from hot fluids or steam. Gather all your necessary tools, including a large drain pan, a funnel, and the correct type of new coolant. Always consult your vehicle's owner's manual to confirm the specific coolant formulation recommended for your RAV4 model. Safety and preparation are key for a smooth process. Now, let's drain the old coolant. Locate the radiator drain plug, typically found at the bottom of the radiator on the driver's side. Position a large drain pan, capable of holding at least 2 gallons, directly underneath the plug. Carefully open the drain plug and then remove the radiator cap to allow the old coolant to flow out completely. This step ensures maximum removal of the old fluid. Once the old coolant is fully drained, close the radiator drain plug securely. Next, fill the radiator with distilled water for a quick flush. Run your engine with the heater on high for about 10 minutes to circulate the water, then drain it again. This helps remove any remaining old coolant. Finally, refill the system with a fresh, 50-50 mixture of new coolant and distilled water. After refilling, it's crucial to bleed any trapped air from the system. With the radiator cap off, start the engine and let it run until it reaches operating temperature. Squeeze the upper and lower radiator hoses several times to help dislodge air bubbles. Keep an eye on the coolant level and top it off as needed. After a few drive cycles, recheck the level and add more if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.